SGE drones do inventory in a pitch-black warehouse while everyone went home. It's not science fiction. It's SGE drones with Siage, the fully autonomous drone system that's revolutionizing warehouse inventory management. No operators, no infrastructure, just drones that fly themselves, scanning every pallet with 99.9% accuracy. Think about it, your team spends countless hours on manual inventory counts. SGE drones does it 10 times faster, work 24/7, integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. Deployment takes less than a week, with no special infrastructure required. Companies are saving hundreds of thousands in labor costs while dramatically improving accuracy. The future of inventory management isn't coming. It's already here. SGE drones and Siage autonomous drones transforming warehouse operations while everyone else is still counting by hand. SGE drones powered by Siage Solutions.